Hey, welcome back. This is chapter 3, and today we're diving into something that makes every song feel alive: rhythm. It's the beats that make you move, the bounce that brings a song to life. And speaking of life, you are going to find out that you're actually born with rhythm. You will also learn how to count beats, the meaning of note lengths and rests, a rhythm trick that feels like you unlock magic, and how to turn a simple pattern into real music. Grab your guitar, let's rock! Let's talk about rhythm. Music is built in bars, also called measures. Most songs use a count that goes up to 4, which is called a time signature. And it breaks down like this. The top number tells us how many notes we count, here 4, and the bottom number tells us what kind of notes we count. Here it's quarter notes or beats. Let's try it together. We go like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Always counting the 4. That's one bar. You might remember this from chapter 1 and it feels familiar. Or it feels easy and natural in a different way, like walking and talking. Because here's something cool. Your body already knows rhythm. From the moment you are born, the doctor checks for one thing, and that is your heartbeat. It literally has the word beat in it. That's why your heart rate is measured the same way as any music is, in beats per minute, or BPM. So when we talk about BPM, we're talking about a natural rhythm, a steady pulse you already have inside you. Let's turn it into music. Alright, meet the rhythm pyramid. This is like a cheat sheet for understanding how long each note lasts. It's the fastest way I found in 15 years of teaching to explain the most important parts of rhythm, all in one go. Let's break it down. For each line, you want to count out loud and clap when you see a note aligning with a number up top. A whole note is 4 beats long. Clap on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. A half note is 2 beats long. You clap on 1, 2, 3, 4. For quarter notes, you clap on every number you count. 1, 2, 3, 4. An eighth note is half a beat long. Now we clap on every number and in between the numbers. And we actually say the word and. So like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Those are all the eighth notes in one bar. As the notes go faster, they always split in 2 and add one new detail. First, it's an open circle. Then we add a stem. Then we fill out the circle. Then we add a beam. It's like building an onion, layer by layer. Let's clap through these together. If you're not into clapping or counting out loud, here are some options for you. You can tap your foot, you can bob your head. As long as you can tap, snap, clap, or wiggle your left earlobe, it counts. Here we go. I'm going to count us in. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 to the quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4 eighth notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Let's play the rhythm pyramid on the guitar. This time we're gonna go back up again. I'm gonna count us in. You can play it on the open A string. 1, 2, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. How did that feel? Easy? Tricky? Let me know in the comments below and I can give you tips to make it easier or harder. This is just one way to make it more interesting and bring it to your skill level. You can also increase the speed or add more difficult notes. In chapter 1, we learned that you get the most out of your time if you adjust songs and exercises to your skill level. Apply this philosophy as fast as possible to your playing. If clapping was easy, see how it is if you play it on the guitar. If an open string is easy, see how it is if you play a chord or a bar chord, or you could make it infinitely harder, right? Always find your level. You can also see rhythm like this. Each bar is like a parking lot. We have room for 1 tour bus, which is a whole note, or 4 cars, which is 4 quarter notes, or 8 bikes, which is 8 eighth notes. Bottom line is, it's the same space, we just fill it differently. Now here's the secret sauce most beginners miss. Rhythm isn't just about playing notes, it's also about not playing. These silences are called rests, and they're just as important. When you see a rest, you don't play, but you still count. If you skip the rest and the count, your rhythm falls apart. Here's a trick: vocalize it. Say shh out loud on a rest, or whisper the count. Try it with me. We go like 1, 2, shh, 4. 1, 2, shh, 4. Let's try the second one with a whisper. We go like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how easy that is. This vocalizing trick keeps your rhythm tight and trains your brain to feel the space between the notes. If you don't focus on it and try to guess how long the silence is, you will stumble and you will try again and again until you're frustrated. We don't want that. It's like playing basketball with a blindfold. Playing basketball with a blindfold is very hard. So before something becomes instinct, it needs a lot of focus. Vocalizing rests gives you the exact feeling to know how long rests last. Time to test your skills with a rhythm challenge. I've got a set of rhythms for you from easy to whoa, let me try it again. Before we jump in, if you need more time, you can pause the video. You can practice each line with claps, then with your instrument, and you can trace the dotted lines to see which hit you have to play. If you happen to beat the rhythm challenge, drop a comment below and let me know how that was. All right, let's work on our muscle memory and groove at the same time. I'm going to count us in, and then we are going to play it from top to bottom, each line 2 times, and we're going to pick an A again, open string, power chord, bar chord, whatever you feel comfy with. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. 1, 2, 3. One more time. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. Next one. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Next one. 1 and 2. Rest. 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Next one. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and next one. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and that was basically it. Now we just have the boss level left. Let's see if we can do this. Take a deep breath. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 1, 2 and 4 and woohoo! You made it. Awesome work today. You learned what rhythm is, a great rhythmic warm-up that you can improve and practice for a long time, note lengths and how to count them, rests and why they matter, and how to actually play and read rhythm. Next time in chapter 4, we're going to learn your first chords and start making your first riffs, your first musical ideas. If you want more, head over to lava-boots.com and get the whole ebook with all 8 chapters as a free download. And remember, rhythm isn't just about timing. It's what you're born with. Stay curious, stay creative. See you soon.